O Lord, we give you thanks for your mercy and kindness to grant us this beautiful day. Bless our parents, teachers, and all our dear and dear ones. Heal the people, those who are suffering from COVID-19. Bless us, fill with your wisdom. Help us to learn and earn knowledge. We ask your blessings. Amen. Please open your eyes, Lord. So yesterday we have the test the same way. We have 5 marks test today also. Okay. So please take a notebook, take the back page. Take a notebook, take the back page. Let me share the screen. You can write at the top a revision test 2.
Ma'am, yesterday was absent.
It's okay, Malavika. You please copy the test questions and complete the answer. Okay. Revision test. And we have the first one.
Ma'am, we can only write the answer.
No. We have enough time. And we have only 5 questions. So you can write a question as well as answer.
Ma'am, class name and name.
Yeah, that you can write at the top. No need to tell me. No, you can write at the top.
Please write.
Identify.
Question, write it.
Yeah. The basic shapes. So pattern will be given. You have to identify the basic shapes. And the pattern is
What is the spelling of identify?
IDENTIFY.
ENGIFY. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, my dear.
Ma'am, we have to write name and class.
That is, it's okay. Better you write. If you didn't write also, it's okay.
Ma'am,
Yes, Malavika.
we can write answer.
You can write the answer, no problem.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I join now only.
You please start now, no problem.
Ma'am, we have to write this.
Yeah. Question and answer.
Ma'am, next notebook.
You can write a question and answer, my dear. We have enough time. 9:50 only. We will complete. No, so it's only 9:19. We have enough time. So you can write the question and answer. And only 5 questions.
Ma'am, which book we have to write?
We have to write.
Ma'am, we have to write. Notebook.
Please take a notebook, take the back page and write these questions and I'll answer also.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, please move.
Yes, I will move. Just 1 minute. Let me take. I will move just 1 minute.
Ma'am,
Yes, my dear.
ma'am, second question COMPLET.
Just 1 minute. Just 1 minute. See, the first one, identify the basic shape. So the pattern is given. You have to identify the basic shape. Next one, complete the following pattern. 2 patterns are given. You have to complete it. And third one, identify the following. A, you have to write the name. B, what is that? You have to write the name. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we have the fourth question, the last question. Just 1 minute, I will move down. Let me complete it. Then I will move. Just 1 minute.
Ma'am, will water group. Ma'am, will water group will send. Ma'am, please scroll up.
Now only
Ma'am?
this much questions. Okay. Now you please write a question and answer.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, we have to write the first question and dash the 3 dashes.
That you can write below that pattern. You can write answer ANS. Then you can draw the figures.
And we can leave the one line.
That up to you only, my dear. If you want to leave, you can leave. No problem. So now it is only 9:23 only, no? So we will start the checking at 9:35 only. You have enough time.
Ma'am, the fourth question, which figure can extend only? Ma'am, following spelling.
FOLLOWING
LL
OWING.
OW. Only one on.
Please mute your device and write the question and answer.
Ma'am, the question answer we have to write that dash as
Which one?
the question.
Which question, my dear? Louder, please. It's not audible.
We have to write below or
You
where
can write below. You can write below. No problem. Abhinav, if you is there any doubt?
no ma'am.
Ayush Tej, why you are not writing or you completed? Abhinav, is there any doubt? I should read any question?
No ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Ma'am, only 4 questions.
Yes, only 4 questions. Then the second question, now complete the following pattern. We have A and B, that carries 2 marks. So altogether 5 marks. Studio 2, who is that? Studio 2.
Ma'am, that is Dhruva Prashant.
Dhruva. Sridhar, Aisha, Joal Maria, please turn on your video.
Ma'am, the third question, ma'am.
Which one? Which one?
The third question.
Third question. Identify the following. You can see now A and B. Its name you have to write.
Okay, ma'am.
This Aro Krishna, who is that Aro Krishna PS? Aro Krishna? Is it a nakshatra? Sanvia Krishna, please turn on your video. I want to put the attendance now. So please tell me. Sanvia Krishna, who is that?
Ma'am, I don't know. Two question.
What is two the question? We already studied now the position first, second, third, fourth, like that. Then two the question. What is that?
Ma'am, which is the fourth question?
Fourth question, which figure can be extended only on one side? The name of that figure.
Ma'am, only four.
Only four. Who is the Sandvia Krishna? Please turn on your video and tell me the name. I didn't understand who is that. And this Aidalan, Mohammad Rishan, Arav Krishna, and all, please turn on your video.
Yes, ma'am, finish.
Karthik is here. Karthik. Karthik is here. Karthik. Karthik is present. Karthik is present. No. Then what about the Marin? I didn't see Marin. Maren is present today, Maren?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay, good. What about Maithili? Is there Maithili today? Maithili is present? No. What about Nakshatra? Nakshatra is
Today exam in the evening. Ma'am, absent.
absent.
Today
Then who is that Aro Krishna PS? I don't know.
Ma'am, Krishna Priya or Krishna?
Then Ridvik Enne, are you present, Ridvik? Ridvik is present today? I didn't see Ridvik. Rizan Asmiya? Rizan Asmiya?
Ma'am, Risa is absent.
Sandria? Sandria?
Ma'am,
Sandria? Sandria is present?
No, ma'am. Ma'am,
Then
second one.
what about Irene? Irene? No, Ridvik Enne present. Okay, good.
Ma'am, I had completed.
Those who have completed, please check your answer once again and please be quiet. We will discuss at 9:35 only. You can check your answer once again. So today's absent is Karthik, I didn't see, Maithili, Nakshatra,
Ma'am,
Risanasmia, Sandria, and Irene.
Ma'am, Fayan have completed.
You can check your paper once again, my dear.
Ma'am, I have only one question. Which figure can be except only
You
on
know
one
many figures,
side?
no? You know many figures we studied, no? One dimensional figures. In that,
is it
which one is
rare, ma'am?
extent? Why are you asking the answers? No. See, listen to ma'am. See, we know many one-dimensional figures are there. So in the one-dimensional figures, which one can be extended only on one side? Now you understood the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
now
ma'am.
please be quiet and write the answer. We have 3 more minutes. After that only we will check the answers. After 3 minutes only we will check the answers. And today is the last day. So study well, revise well, get maximum marks. Okay. And best of luck for the exam also.
Ma'am, today we have MCQ exam.
Yes, my dear.
Today we have
Today what exam? No exam.
Malayalam. Today's Malayalam exam.
Today Malayalam exam.
Ma'am, yes.
I don't know. You please check your timetable.
Ma'am, today's Malayalam. Ma'am,
Okay, now please be quiet.
I have an exam in the evening, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, my dear.
Today I have exam in the evening.
You please check your timetable, my dear.
Check. No, ma'am.
We have 1 more minute. After that, we will check the answers.
Ma'am, I read the.
Just 1 minute. I will share the screen. Just 1 minute. Let me check the names. So let me share the screen once again. So we have 1 more minute.
Ma'am, we have a final test in the evening.
Yeah, in the evening. Only the 13th of October you have in the morning.
Ma'am,
Last day.
ma'am,
Yes, my dear.
35. Ma'am, this day will my mother go will go will
Edel Maria, what happened? Your mother will go where?
ma'am,
Your voice is breaking, dear.
my mother here now.
Where is she?
Ma'am, no, my mother go.
Your voice is breaking, my dear. I didn't understand. So shall we check the answers? After that we can talk. Idle Maria, after checking we can talk. Okay. So please, all of you, please listen. Let's check the first one. Identify the basic shape. And here we have, you can see a 6-sided figure. We call it as hexagon. So hexagon, circle, rectangle, hexagon, circle, rectangle, hexagon, circle, rectangle. So the answer is draw the hexagon, circle and rectangle. Okay, so that is the answer. If your answer is correct, you can put 1 mark. If your answer is correct, you can put 1 mark. It should be the same order. That means hexagon, circle, rectangle. Okay, the question should not be changed. Complete the following pattern. Second one. And here we have 15A, 13B, 11C. So here we can see it's a combination of letters and numbers. Now look at the number. Here we have backward counting. Alternate number, backward counting. So 15, 13, 11. So what will come the next number?
90.
And here will come
90.
7. And here we have A, B, C, D, and will come here E. So the answer is 9D, 7E. If your answer is correct, you can put 1 mark. If only 1 is correct, you can put a half mark. Now B we have 1, 4, 7, 10. See here we can see after 1 it is 4. That means 2, 3, 4. Actually this is skip counting. Adding 3, 3, 3, 3. Okay. So 1. Then we add 3, we will get 4. Then 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. So 10 plus 3, what will come next number? 13. Then after 13, again 3 we have to add. So 14, 15, 16. So the answer is 16. So 13, 16. If your answer is correct, you can put a 1 mark. If it is only 1 correct, you can put a half mark. Now we have question number 3. Identify the following. Okay, identify the following. And here we have the first one. You can see only one side is the arrow, other side is it is a starting point. So it's a ray, R-A-Y, ray. And here B we can see lines. What is the line? Which are the type of lines? This vertical lines. It is from the top to bottom. Standing lines. So standing lines are called vertical lines. VERTICAL CAL, vertical lines. Vertical line. So if your answer is correct, you can put a 1 mark. If it is only 1, you can put a half mark. Now we will move to question number 4. Which figure can be extended only on one side? See, you can see here only one side. Now the answer is RAY, ray. If it is on two sides, it is line. Only on one side, so it is ray. So the answer is ray. So now you can add your marks. Anybody have any doubts? Anyone have any doubt? Now you can put the marks by 5. Okay.
Can write stars.
Yeah. If you got full marks, you can put the 3 stars. If you will be here, I can give, but you are not. No. So
I cannot see you put the mark.
I cannot.
The mark.
You can't put the mark. Now you please show me. All of you please show me the paper. Let me see your marks. I will call if I call out your name. If I see your marks, you can keep it down. Okay. Now Mana, show me. Okay, 5 out of 5. Very good. Mana, you can keep it down. 4 by 5. Hayan,
got 5 out.
which one is wrong, Hayan? 5th one.
No, ma'am. Ma'am said it was 4 words. I written 4 out of 4.
You please check your answers one more time. Okay. Now Rehan Hanifa. Okay, Vania, good. Then Rehan Hanifa, how much?
5 out of 5.
Okay. Then Johan Judy. It's not clear. Ritikene, good. Ritikene, good. Aisha, how much? Malavika? 5 out of 5. Okay. Aisha, how much? Krishnapriya? What is the mark? I didn't see the marks. Krishnapriya, I didn't see them. Okay, now I can see. Okay, good. Aisha, how much? 5 out of 5. Okay, good. And Tirtha, how much? 5. How much, Tirtha? Okay, for Hayan, go to 5. Okay, very good. Marin?
Henry.
Ayush, how much?
Marin. 5 out of 5.
5 out of 5. See, it's not that much clear. Agnay, how much? Good, 5 out of 5. Okay, good. Now let me ask you one thing. See, is there anyone below 5? Means is any question answer you don't know? I should explain once again like that. Anything is here?
No.
Almost all of you got the full marks. Very good, very good. So study well for the exam. Okay, good, very good. You all studied, very good. So study well. Best of luck. God bless you. Okay, and get maximum marks. Okay, and during the exam, no hurry, burry. Peacefully you write the exam. Okay, and MCQ also when you are attending, be careful. Don't touch the wrong answer. Okay, and if you done already, means once it is done, you cannot do any once again. So please ask. Aradhi, very good. Aradhi, very good. Sarah, how much?
Man, 4 out of 4. Chatting the chat box.
Sarah, go to 4 by 4. It is written 4 by 4. Many are talking, so I cannot hear actually. Many are talking. Okay, anyway, So thank you for joining. Okay. Thank you so much. Dhruva, if you have any doubt, you please message me. I will clear it. Okay. So thank you. Thank you all. Bye. See you.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.